Hi, welcome back to Mrs. Barnett's Math Moment. Today we're going to look at subtraction with regrouping. So we have 23 minus 7, and 23, let's use this in a story problem. I have 23 birds on my deck. 7 of them flew away. How many birds are left? So 23 looks like this: 2 sticks and 3 unit cubes. So there's 10 in a rod or stick. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, and you can see that down here at the bottom. So I need to take 7. And 7, if you look at your place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 7 is in the ones place. So I need to look to this group right here to see if I can take 7 of them away. I can't. I only have 3. Well, I could trade one of these guys in for 10 of the units because there's 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So why don't I do that? I'm going to take this one. He'll go away, and I'll bring in 10 more. Not 10 total, but 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I like to line them up in a pattern of 5 because as we look at this, even though I know this machine will lay 5 out in a row, I still want to count them. So instead, I will put them in like a dice array. Okay, so I'll put them sort of like this. They could touch. It doesn't really matter if they touch or don't. And it'll be easier if I just copy this guy and put another one next to him and then get rid of these guys. All right, so I don't have 2 sticks and 3 ones, but I still have 23. You can see that. Here's 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I need to show that I have regrouped. I don't have 2 sticks rods anymore. I have 1. And I now have 13 of these individual units. Some people like to put the 13 up here. I think that looks messy for me. I like to slide it in where it was, so I'm going to keep it there. So now I can take 7 of them away. I'm going to take this whole group of 5, and I'm going to take 2 of these guys, and that's 7. So this is going to be my throwaway section. That's the trash. Well, it's not really the trash because the birds didn't go to the trash. The birds flew away into the sky. So there's the sky. Okay, so now that you see that they're over here, 7 of them, I'm going to erase them. This mouse doesn't move very quickly on the surface I have it on, so sorry. I'll take just a second and get rid of them. They're gone. How many do I have left? 5, 6. It's really quick to see I have 6 left. Okay, I have 1 stick I'm keeping. I'm not getting rid of any of the rods, so I have 16 left. And you can see that right there as well. So that's why we regroup. So 233 minus, well, let's go with minus 37. Whoa, much bigger number this time. So I need 2 hundreds. I need 3 rods, and I need 3 units. So I have 233 here. Again, I'm trying to take away 7. So 233 birds, 37 flew away this time. So I'm going to get with the 7 in the ones place. I don't have enough. I need to break him down into 10 units. So here's the 5. And I'll double that, and there's 10. So you can see I still have 233. I just don't have 200s and 3 rods and 3 ones anymore. I have 200s, 2 10s, and 13 ones. So I borrow, regroup, 13, take away 7. I'm going to get rid of this pile. That's the throwaway, so he's gone. And those guys are gone. I now have 5, 6 left. I have 2 10s, but I'm supposed to take away 3. Well, same principle here. It takes 10 of the rods to make 100. So I will replace that with 10 of the rods. I'll move these two over so I don't lose count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take the 5th one and turn it. If I can turn it that way, I can see it's like tally marks, and there's 5 very quickly, easily seen. And I make a double. So I have 200s, 20s, and 6. That's what I have so far. I need to regroup again because I don't have 100 anymore. 200, I have 1. And I have 12 rods now. 5, 10, 11, 12. I can easily get rid of 3 of those. So that's 1, 2, and I'll get rid of this one is 3. So if I got 12 minus 3, I have 5, and 4 is 9 left over. I have 100. I'm not getting rid of any, keeping that there, so I have 196. And that's it. Thanks for joining.